Hi everybody. If that thumbnail didn't grab you, I don't know what's gonna grab you, okay? Uh, that is my little joke on Corona hair. I haven't had my hair done since before March, and yeah, the roots are growing in, which I don't care about. I really don't. I do not dye my hair or get highlights, to cover the gray. I don't care about the gray. The reason I get highlights is because it brings volume to my hair. And as you can tell, I don't have any volume at all anymore. Anyway, this isn't a thing about my hair. All right, let's let's move into our empties. And no, this video is not sponsored by Hydro Flask. However, that's my poop show for work. And yeah, we're not even going to go there. Boy, am I distracted today. Eh? I'm having more squirrel moments than a squirrel. All right, the first thing I finished was a Young Living household cleaner, which I won't buy again because I've already talked to you about my Young Living thing and the reason why I won't be buying them anymore. But yeah, I only use this to clean the floors, my laminate flooring. It's really good for that. But I won't be purchasing this again. Smells great, blah, blah, blah. It's royally expensive, the whole bit. Anyway, I finished 3 packs of these. Imagine me having these on an Empties video. These are the one-step wipes, the hand sanitizer. These are individually wrapped ones. Beautiful for travel. You can get them at Walmart. Oh wait, you probably can't get them at Walmart right now. Oh well. Next up we have, oh this is a good one. This is the Sephora Bouquet Surprise Flowers Melting Shower Jelly. I should have gone with the reviews because the reviews on Sephora said that this was not all that great. They don't have great reviews for this. But me here, I always like to take one for the friggin' team, so I bought this. It's the purple one, and I thought, oh, I love the container because I really do. It just comes out of here, but you just twist it and it opens and everything comes out. And when you're done, you close it. It's that simple. Really, really good packaging for the shower. I love that. That's the only thing I like about this. The rest of it is a papaya show, and here's why. It smells chemically, and the reviews say that. It smells like chemical flowers. It doesn't smell real. It's overpowering chemical lilac smell is how I would put this. And therefore I would not buy it again just because it didn't smell right. Yeah, it was not expensive. It was on sale because I'm cheap like that. Here's something that I said I wasn't going to buy again, and then I ran out and I bought another one, and I bought a really big one. So this is the Crest 3D White Glamorous White Alcohol-Free Whitening Mouthwash. I use this in the shower, so I'm like I don't know how to explain this. I am waiting for the conditioner to go through and I'm rinsing my mouth at the same time. What a weirdo, eh? Anyway, I love this stuff because I have noticed a difference with using it. I just hate the taste of it. It tastes like crap. And the fact that it has, I think it's peroxide in it, it just foams up in my mouth and I look like a rabid dog by the time it's all over. I don't like that, but I will definitely buy it again because baby, it works. Here's something else I love. This is the Sheer Blonde, John Frieda, Sheer Blonde Color Renew Tone Correcting Shampoo and Conditioner. I finished the conditioner, but I always finish the conditioner first because I use twice as much of it. And I love this stuff. It is so good. I have used this in hard water. I've used this in soft water. I've used this in all sorts of different types of water in different cities around Canada. And let me tell you, honey, it works in all of them, which makes it amazing because there are places where I use a shampoo or conditioner and it doesn't work the same as it does at home. It's the water. This is amazing because it seemed to work for me everywhere. It's not cheap either, but it's worth it to me. It's not harsh. It doesn't bring out the eczema on the back of my neck. Like, it doesn't bother that. And like I said, it's not harsh. So I recommend that one if you want to keep your color. Not that I have any left. Anyway. Avon Senses Fresh Cucumber and Melon Hand Soap. I just bought this because I'm an Avon rep and it's cheap. And it was cheap. And this stuff really hurts my hands. But that's because there's a crap ton of alcohol in it, which makes me really, really like it. And let's see here. Ingredients. Water, sodium lauryl, something or other, blah, 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 blah. I'm just checking to see. Is there freaking alcohol in this? I don't know, but there's a lot of fragrance in it, I can tell you that. No, I don't see a lot of alcohol. But anyway, it does clean my hands. And I have to use lotion right afterwards because it's freaking harsh. This is coming from an Avon rep. I am the girl that will tell you what is good with Avon and what isn't. This is going to clean your hands. It's real good hand cleaner if you don't have sensitive hands. If you do, don't buy it. Bottom line. Oh, okay. I threw this in here because I'm 9 years later. Like, really? You're going to keep it longer than that? This is the Living Doll. It's the color Living Doll from Hard Candy. This is the blush slash highlighter. And I hit pan on it, which looks weird because it's only in the center. And I really like this blush, but I'm done with it. It's been years. Okay, people? It's done. This will last you forever. And for the price point, it's excellent. It's not extremely good for sensitive skin, I'll tell you that right now. Hard Candy doesn't work out great for somebody who has sensitive skin. If you don't have sensitive skin and you're looking for a blush slash highlighter that will stay on for a long time, this is your baby. Not a lot of scent in that either, so that's really good. I finished up one of these, Whip-de-doo-dah, right? This is the, what is it? Oh, wait a minute. Is that French or Spanish? Squirrel moment again. Okay, so this is Dollar Tree. They're cotton rounds. Those are the ones that I buy because I'm cheap, like I said. But I can't get over to the States right now to buy them, so I'm really grateful I stocked up back in February. Woohoo! Spa Naturals, also from Dollar Tree. Bath bombs, vanilla and coconut. No. Crap slash garbage. This is not. If you're looking for something less expensive than buying Lush, I implore you to please stick with Lush because this is not going to do a damn thing. It's a little itty bitty fizzy. And that's about it. There's oil in it that will, you know, soften your skin, but if it comes to fizzies that you're looking for and that beautiful Lush effect in the bathtub, no, not going to happen. Not worth it. You get like 3 for $1, but they're like this big and it's not worth it. It's just not, really. What else have I got in here? All sorts of stuff, to be honest. The Belief, I'm sick of calling it Belief. Belief Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser for all skin types. Yes! Intensely hydrating jelly textured cleanser. Wow! Regular everyday cleanser. Nothing spectacular about this. It says in here, oh, hang on, let me just open the back of the packaging so we can open this right up because it's got one of these, you know? All right, please be in English. Warnings for external use only. Avoid direct contact with the eyes. Well, I use a face cleanser and I mean, it's going to get near my eyes. So I don't know. Like, really? Don't have it around kids, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So it's just an everyday cleanser. It didn't really do anything spectacular for me. It takes the makeup off, but it doesn't take it off as well as my next product. I don't really recommend this. I just don't, because you can't use it around your eyes. Here's what I like. Oh, beautiful. I can't even see that. Saturday Skin Cleanser. Not cheap. Find it on Sephora. Link below. This is the best cleanser I have ever used in my entire life. And I hate a cream cleanser. So this is kind of like a cream cleanser, but yet it's not a cream cleanser. It's an incredible cleanser that just takes everything off in one shot. Doesn't irritate my eyes. It's fan-freaking-tastic. Let's see if it says anything exciting on it. No, it doesn't. It's just Saturday Skin, but it takes everything off and doesn't irritate anything. And I'm left with my skin feeling literally squeaky clean. You can't go wrong with that one. Also can't go wrong with this one. Less expensive. Physicians Formula, the Perfect Matcha 3-in-1 Melting Cleansing Balm. Great. I hate the light some days, I swear to God. Can you see that? Okay. Do I like it? I friggin' love it. I used up all of it. It's incredible. I like this for taking my makeup off at night because when I clean my face, I tend to get water all over the place, and with this, I don't have to because I scoop it out, I do circular motions all over my face, take the makeup off. Yes, I can put it around my eyes, it's no big deal, and then I just take a cloth and wipe it off. Perfect. There's no water anywhere. Life is good. I love that stuff. It's got a bit of a strong matcha smell to it, but it will take the makeup off. Literally, the makeup melts right off my skin. Here's another one that I really, really like, and I was surprised by this. Great, now's a good time to get something in your eye. This is the Caudalie Instant Detox Mask. Cleanses impurities, tightens pores. Yes, tightens pores. I noticed an immediate effect after using this I used it, I think it was 3 times a week for 2 weeks. There's a lot in this little sampler, okay? And I noticed my pores became tighter around here, all around there. I was mind blown. I love this stuff. And I used it in the shower. It's got an immediate effect to it because, you know, it's one of those masks that you put on and then your face gets really, really tight and it feels like it's a clay mask on it. It says here, instant detox mask, leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. That's all you need, 5 minutes. You don't need 10 minutes. You can leave it on for 10 minutes if you want, but I don't think you need any more than that. This is beautiful. I did notice a difference with my skin, and you will notice in the past, I have said, I didn't really notice much of a difference using a certain mask here and there. It's just nice for moisturizing my face. This one is going to tighten your pores, honey. I'm telling you right now. You do have to use a moisturizer after you use it, clearly, but it's so nice. So, so nice. And this could be why my 50-year-old face looks so good. I don't know. I love it. It's fantastic. And I got a couple of things in here still. Okay, Young Living Lavender Oil. I just use this for, like, diffuser properties. That's all. Won't be buying it again. I have actually started using Sage essential oils. That's a Canadian product. I'll link them below if you're interested in looking at them. Yeah, so that's... I'm not going to talk anymore about that. Okay, Rimmel Wake Me Up. This is a really good drugstore concealer. It has excellent coverage, and it's also got micro glitter. I don't want to say glitter because it doesn't have chunky glitter in it, but it's got like micro glitter properties to it that it's just micro, how do you say this? Micro reflection. I don't know. It's a really nice concealer because it tends to cover and it's moisturizing. I wouldn't say moisturizing, but it's not going to dry your skin out. And it has the light reflecting properties of the micro glitter, which makes everything look amazing. Link below for this one too. As you know, I'll say it again, I only link things in the description box that I think are amazing and that you might want to check out. And also this. This is the Vichy Idealia Serum. This serum is something that they say it's an it's an antioxidant radiance boosting serum. I didn't notice a damn difference with this at all. Okay. Really pretty packaging though. Nice glass. You know, we like glass. We don't like plastic. But I didn't notice a difference. It didn't even out my skin tone. It didn't take away my wrinkles. It didn't moisturize my skin any more than using a moisturizing cream would do. It didn't reduce any flaking. I don't know. It just didn't really... I didn't notice a difference. Sorry. Anyway, those are my empties. I do hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, leave them below. I am always happy to answer those questions. I should start telling you guys, I am not a dermatologist. I am just a really happy little skincare user that likes to do YouTube videos. So, yeah, if you have questions, leave them below. Please check out the items in the description bar because you may be interested in them, but always do your research, which is why I leave those items in the description bar so that you can go and check out what other people have to say about them. Yeah, that's what I do. Anyhow, have a great week, guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.